Good morning, Yaks. Day 2 here at base camp, working away, putting down some mulch on the trails, and hopefully the deck guys will be back pretty soon to get the decks going. I'll show you what we got. First, I got a roast slow cooking here for later on, and I'll show you our progress. We had power come in this morning, so we've got power here to the property. Lines coming in right here, and then we've been putting in this trail yesterday and today. So we got some steps we're making, and then we got the trail that we've cut. This is building site 1 here that was put in yesterday. And we got mulch going down on our trail. We've built a connector up to the top where there's parking. And then this will be our building site 2 here. All right, up on top, we've got the parking spots here that we're going to put in. We'll have a couple spots right down here. Paved road that goes up to the top of the property. We actually have a whole nother section. This driveway is actually on the land. But we have another section of the property that's up past that driveway. So that driveway has an easement with us. And we do have access to that. So that'll be kind of like a phase, probably phase 3 of the property up there. And then this is the building site up top here. So we got that kind of marked off. We have good views of the pond and down to the picnic shelter. All right, we're going to keep at it. We'll keep you guys updated.